Parker, you want to open a present? Hold on. You got to open them all together, though, because they all go together.
This one's Parker's.
They all go together.
This one's mine. And this one's Debbie. That's not mine! This one's yours, buddy.
You guys got yours?
Parker, this one's Peyton. That's not mine.
Just one. You got one, Parker.
Buddy, this one's
Preston's got yours. Just one present. Open them.
Onion. Oh my God.
What?
Really?
Don't you like mashed potatoes?
Oh my God. Why would I get us that?
What Parker get? You don't want that?
It's a potato.
Don't you like potatoes?
What? What is that?
You don't want it?
What is this food?
It's a potato. You can do a lot with it. You can make a potato
Can I
head.
open my bell? Fire truck.
You want a fire truck?
Can I open this? Are you going to cry, baby? I'm going to fire truck. Are you mad at Santa?
You don't like the potato?
No, you not. I thought it was a real toy.
Yeah, but I thought he wanted the potato.
We can make a potato head. Can I open my present, Mommy? Mommy, can I open my present?
No, you guys I only brought over a couple presents for you guys to open. What'd you get?
Onion.
An onion?
I got mashed potatoes.
What's wrong with you?
You got macaroni box?
You love macaroni.
Hi, can I open it?
Right?
Daddy, can I open it?
Are you pouting?
Daddy. Daddy, I can open it.
No, just the one. Okay. All right.